Hey there. We're looking to take a trade on the Euro US dollar 1 hour time frame, and right now there is potentially a trade in the works. We have a really nice strong downtrend, and the Profitude array is red and nicely separated. The price started under the array, and what we're looking for is a pullback into the array. We have that here as the price moved into the array and turned some of the array lines green. At this point, that is the setup that we want to see, and from here we're looking for the price to close under the array to continue the downtrend. Right now, things are looking good as the validator dots have turned green and then back to red, and the trend indicator has been red throughout this pullback process, telling us that the trend is clearly down. What we're looking for on this candle is a red arrow to appear above like this one here, and if that happens, all the conditions will be met for a short trade, and if I get that arrow, I will place a sell trade and I will be right back afterwards. We got the signal to go short, and I took the trade. We got the red arrow above the price, and everything else was in alignment for that short trade. The stop is placed above the recent market swing, and the take profit is placed at 1-to-1. The target on this trade is 112 pips, and at this point, I will simply let the trade play out, and I will be back when the target gets hit. We were just taken out of the trade, and the target was hit with no problems at all. The trend continued to go down as suggested by the indicators. This was a very nice, easy, and profitable trade thanks to the Forex Profitude trading system. We've just got this signal to go short, so I am going to sell this. So let's do this, and now we are in a sell trade. So what I am going to do is put the stop loss above this swing high. My take profit is going to go into this area down here, 1-to-1. I want to explain why we got into this trade. We have a downtrend. So this trend indicator is showing us that the short trade is the trade to look for. We have the array going from green to red. We have this one candle closing below the array, and this red arrow has appeared above the candle. And on this signal candle itself, we do have the red validator dot. So all of the criteria was met for a short trade. And at this point, we're simply going to let this trade play out. Now, we are going to manage the trade if we get the opportunity to do that. But for now, I'm simply going to let this trade play out, and I will return when we hit our take profit. We won this trade. It was a nice trade. We had a little bit of a pullback in here, but we ended up getting our take profit hit. And if you noticed, we were able to move the stop loss into profit. Now, we didn't have the stop loss into profit by a whole lot, but if we had lost this trade, because of the trade management, we would not have lost any money on this particular trade. So this was a really nice trade thanks to the Forex Profitude trading system.